Question number 6. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and frequency distribution of the name of letters in English alphabet in the surnames was obtained as follow. Number of letters and number of surnames. Number of letters. Number of surnames, that is frequency F, and this is class interval CI. 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, and 16 to 19. Frequency is 6, 30, 40, 16, 4, 4. Determine the median number of letters in the surnames. Median, then cumulative frequency CF, 6 as it is, 6 plus 30, that is equal to 36, 36 plus 40, 76, 76 plus 16, 92, 92 plus 4, 96, 96 plus 4, that is 100. So n is equal to 100, and n upon 2 is equal to 100 upon 2, that is 50. N upon 2 is equal to 50, and 50 lies in cumulative frequency 76, but CF is 36, and this same direction frequency is 40, and interval is 7 to 10, but L1 is equal to 7. So L1 is equal to 7, N by 2 is equal to 50, and CF is equal to cumulative frequency is equal to 36, F is equal to 40, and H is equal to 4 minus 1, 3. Difference between class interval, that is 3. Median is equal to L1 plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H, and putting the value L1 N by 2 CF F and H in this, we get median is equal to L1 is 7 plus N by 2 is here 50 minus CF is 36 divided by F is 40 multiply by H, that is difference between class interval is 3, multiply by 3. Median is equal to 7 plus 50 minus 36, that is equal to 14. Multiply by 3 divided by 40. Median is equal to 7 plus 14 3s are 42 upon 40, and divides 22 are 40 and 21 2s are 42, but 21 divides by 20. 21s are 21.0, but 10 is smaller than 20, so we take 1 0 here, and that is 1 0 also here. 5s are 100. So 21 divides by 20 is equal to 1.05. This implies 7 plus 1.05. 21 divides by 20, that is equal to 1.05. So median is equal to 7 plus 1, 8.05. Answer: median equal to 8.05. Number of letters given, that is class interval 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, and 16 to 19. And frequency is given 6, 30, 40, 16, 4, 4. Cumulative frequency 6 as it is, 6 plus 30, that is equal to 36, and 36 plus 40, that is equal to 76. 76 plus 16 is 92. 92 plus 4 is 96, and 96 plus 4 is 100. Then n is equal to 100. N upon 2 is equal to 100 divided by 2, that is equal to 50. So n by 2 is equal to 50, and 50 lies in cumulative frequency here. So CF is equal to 36, and on the same direction in frequency, that is called F. F is equal to 40, and same direction in class interval, L1 equal to 7, 7 to 10, L1 is equal to 7. We get L1 is 7, N by 2 is 50, CF is equal to 36, frequency F is equal to 40, and H is difference between the class interval, that is 3. So median is equal to L1 plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Putting the value of L1, N by 2, CF, F and H in this, we get 7 plus 14 3s are 42 upon 40. 42 divides 2, 21 2s are 42, and 22s are 40. We divides 21 by 20 and get 1.05. So 7 plus 1.05, median is equal to 7 plus 1, 8.05. Answer. Question number 6. Find the mean of number. Class interval is here and frequency is given. So xi, that is mid value, xi is equal to 1 plus 4 upon 2, 5 upon 2, that is equal to 2.5. And 7 plus 4, 11 upon 2, that is 5.5. 17 upon 2, that is equal to 8.5. And 10 to 13, 23 upon 2, 11.5. 13 to 16, 14.5, and 16 to 19, 17.5. Let A is equal to, let us assume A is 8.5, then DI is equal to XI minus A. (2.5 minus 8.5 is equal to minus 6, minus 3, 0, 3, 6, 9. And FI DI, 6 6 are minus 36, 33s are negative 90, 40 zeros are 0, 16 3s are 48, 4 6 are 24, 9 4s are 36. Sum of positive number is 8, 6 plus 4 10 18, 1 carry, 5 7 plus 3 10, 108. And sum of negative number is 6, 9 plus 3 12, that is minus 126. And we subtract 126 and 108, 126, 108, 8, 1, that is negative 18. Summation FI DI is equal to minus 18. And sum of frequency, that is equal to 100. Mean is equal to assumed mean. Assumed mean x dash is equal to a plus summation FI DI upon summation FI. Assumed A is 8.5 plus FI DI, we get minus 18 divided by FI is equal to 100. This implies 8.5 minus 18 divided by 100, and 18 divided by 100, that is 0.18. Mean is equal to 8.5 minus 0.18. When 18 divides 100, 2 digit point, here 0.18 is answer. So 8.5 minus 0.18, 0 is here, 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, 4 is here, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, and 8 as it is. So mean is equal to 8.32. Answer. Number of letters class interval 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, and 16 to 19, and given frequencies 6, 30, 40, 16, 4, 4, and their sum is equal to 100. 100 surnames were randomly. So xi is mid value of class interval 1 to 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, and 5 divided by 2 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and 5 divided by 2, that is equal to 2.5. Same process, 4 plus 7 is 11 divided by 2 is equal to 5.5, and 8.5, 11.5, 14.5 and 17.5. Let us assume A is equal to 8.5 and di equal to xi minus a. 2.5 minus 8.5, that will be minus 6, and 5.5 minus 8.5, that will be minus 3. 0, 3, 6 and 9. B multiply fi di. This is frequency fi, and di is minus 6, 6 are 36, minus 3, 30 are minus 90, and sum of negative number is 126, and 16 3s are 48, 6 4s are 24, and 9 4s are 36, and sum of positive number, that is 108, and 126 minus 108, that is 18, but negative 18 minus 126 is greater. So FIDI is minus 18, and frequency equal to 100. Assumed mean x dash equal to a plus FIDI upon summation fi. Put a is equal to 8.5 plus FIDI is minus 18 upon 100. 18 divided by 100, that is 0.18, and we subtract 8.50 minus 0.18, that will be 8.32. Answer. Question number 6. Also find the modal size of the surnames. We find mode. In frequency, highest number, greatest number is equal to 40, that is F1, and F0 is 30, F2 is 16. But in class interval, L1 is equal to 7. Mode is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L1 is 7 and F1 is equal to 40, F0 is equal to 30, F2 is equal to 16, and common difference between class interval is H, that is equal to 3. Mode is equal to L1 is 7 plus F1 is 40 minus F0 is 30 divided by 2 into 40 minus 30 minus 16 multiplied by 3. Mode is equal to 7 plus 30 minus 40 minus 30 is equal to 10 multiplied by 3 divided by 80. 42 are 80 minus 46. 80 minus 46 is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4, and 7 minus 4 equal to 3. This implies 7 plus 30 upon 34. 15 2s are 30, 17 2s are 34. 15 divided by 17. 0.0. 8 7s are 136. 4 4 and 1, 0. 8 times once again 136. So mod is equal to 7 plus 0.88. Mod is equal to 7.88. Answer. Class interval is 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16 and 16 to 19, and the frequency is 6, 30, 40, 16, 4, 4. And in frequency, highest number is 40, so that is called F1. F1 equal to 40, F0 is 30 and F2 is 16. L1 is 7, F1 is 40, F0 is 30, F2 is 16 and H is difference, that is equal to 3. And formula of mod is L1 plus F1 minus F0 upon 2, F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L1 is 7, put here. F1 is 40 minus F0 is 30 divided by 2 into 40 minus 30 minus 16 into 3. 40 minus 30, that is 10, 10 multiplied by 3. 42 are 80 minus 30 plus 16, that is 46, and 80 minus 46 is equal to 34. 34, 30 divided by 34, 15 2s are 30 and 17 2s are 34. So 15 divides 17, that is 0.88 approximately. So mod is equal to 7 plus 0.88, mod equal to 7.88. Answer. Question number 7. The distribution below gives the weight of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. Weight in kg, that is class interval, and number of students. That is frequency. Class interval is 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, and frequency is 2, 3, 8, 6, 6, 3 and 2. And cumulative frequency 2 as it is, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, 13 plus 6 is equal to 19, 19 plus 6 is equal to 25, 25 plus 3 is equal to 28, and 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. So n is equal to 30 and n upon 2 is equal to 30 divided by 2, that is equal to 15. So we get n upon 2 is equal to 15, and 15 lies in cumulative frequency here, but CF is 13 and F is 6 and class interval that is L1 is equal to 55. We get L1 is equal to 55, N by 2 is 15, but CF is equal to 13, F is equal to 6, and H is equal to 5. And median, formula of median is equal to L1 plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. So median is equal to L1 is 55 plus N by 2 is 15 minus CF is 13 divided by F is 6 into H is equal to 5, that is multiply by 5. Median is equal to 55 plus 15 minus 13 is equal to 2 upon 6 into 5. This implies 55 plus 5 2 are 10 upon 6. 5 2 are 10, 3 2 are 6. 5 divided by 3, 3 1s are 3.0, 3 6 are 18, 2 0, 3 6 are 18, and so on. So approximate value median is equal to 55 plus 1.666, that is 1.67. So median is equal to 55 plus 1, that is 56.67 answer. Weight in kilogram, class interval is 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, 65 to 70, and 70 to 75, and 86632. Cumulative frequency 2 as it is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, 13 plus 6 is equal to 19, 19 plus 6 is equal to 25, and 25 plus 3 is equal to 28, 28 plus 2, that is 30. So n is equal to 30 and n upon 2 is equal to 30 divided by 2, that is 15. So we get the value of n upon 2, that is equal to 15, and median is equal to L1 plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. 15 lies in cumulative frequency here and CF is 13, but on the same direction in frequency. F is 6 and same direction in class interval. Low L1 is equal to 55. L1 is 55, N by 2 is 15, CF is 13, F is 6, and H is 45 minus 40. The difference between the class interval, that is equal to 5. So putting all these value in L1 plus N by 2 minus CF upon F into H, we get 55 plus 15 minus 13 upon 6 multiplied by 5. 15 minus 13 is 2 upon 6 into 5. 2 5s are 10 upon 6. Divide 10 divides 5 2s are 10, 10 divides by 2, and 6 divides by 2. 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. And 5 divides 3, that is approximate value 1.666 and we can take it 1.67, approximate value 1.67. So median equal to 55 plus 1.67, 55 plus 1 is 56.67 answer. Thank you so much.